Coast to Coast Mixtapes.com.
Yeah. Trey Songz did a shit with this one. I just want a piece of it. Time's up, niggas sit down. Now they like, what's that sound? Sounded like a Mac round. Me, myself, and I ain't no background. Me, humble nigga, I don't really back down. I crazy guy, couple voices in my mind, wow. Always gonna be myself, nigga, I don't act out. Ask how I do it, no explanation. My music banging like a crack house. Bagging lyrics till I throw up, I don't pass out. Gun, bang, get the mask out. Listen, I know I'm a problem teacher, I'ma teach me. You ain't gotta come find my story, put it in 3D. You see, G, not even glasses could come and see me. I be he. I ain't gotta fake it, motivation easy. Get some money, standing ovation, make sure my seeds breathe. I heat beats, no firebug like a heat breeze. Only when I'm warming up, I just wanna chop cheese, chop rats, I crop facts. Like for one I just begun, you can call me smoking gun. Matter of fact, just the one I vibe with the music, usually abuse it stupidly. Nicotine rap like nigga get used to me. I ride for my fam, I be damn if I lose the beats. I'm a rhyming speaker knocking, sounding like bazookas. G, my view can see that I'm a problem, catastrophe. I rhyme and beats, wake up the seas like people, ain't no time to sleep. People get your hands up, dance but follow me. I'm Mr. Burn, rhyme physician heard, smoking hella herb, dope on every verse. So go and get your needles. Ripping tracks is just my stilo. Call me lynched hero all around the world. You hear me? Bad to the bone, mother poems, can you hear it? I rock like a stove, throwing heat from the pot, and I'm singing money not till my seeds are hot. Caution people hot, crack, seeds are the hot side.